Hello students, your exams are near. So focusing on that, I am making some revision videos. And in this video, I am going to show you how to attempt some questions. I have seen students, they know the answers, but they can't attempt the questions well. And this is what make them scoring less marks, and then they become so upset with it. So students, please try to follow the pattern, not exactly what I am saying and giving you, but whatever you know, how to present them in a proper way. So watch the video for that.
Students, this is the question. I am going to represent the answer now.
Students, the question I have shown you. First, read the questions properly and then how you'll answer them. You will answer in a brief way. The yellowish white solid is known as bleaching powder. Chemically, it is known as calcium oxychloride or calcium hypochlorite. Its chemical formula is calcium oxychloride and CaOCl2. Bleaching powder is manufactured by an Hessen-Clevers process, which involves the reaction of pure and dry chloride gas and solid calcium hydroxide. So this chemical reaction involved also I have mentioned here in students. You can see over here. And you write the name of the products, okay? And then which enhance your answer actually. Chemical equation for chloralkali process is this, okay? Sodium chloride, when it reacts with water, you will get calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. These two after supplying of electricity. Students, I got so many doubts for this question, and this question is asking you, a white chemical compound becomes hard on mixing proper quantity of water. It is also to maintain joints in a fixed position, have the chemical compound and write its chemical formula. Write chemical equation to show what happens and when water is added to this compound in proper quantity. Okay, you have to write the formula also, you have to write the chemical equation also. So students, say this question has come in 2016 exam, CBSE exams. So students, how you have to write? This is a simple answer you have to write. No need to write an entire history. You simple write the chemical compound is plaster of Paris. Its chemical formula is 2CaSO4 plus H2O, or you can say CaSO4 then half H2O, and you have simply mentioned the chemical reaction over here, and your answer is done. There's a question, just look to the question number 24. Write the chemical equation for the reaction of atmospheric carbon dioxide gas on the bleaching powder when it is exposed in open. So answer is calcium oxychloride. When it will react with carbon dioxide, you will get calcium carbonate plus chlorine gas. So these questions, students, you will not get it in the book, because I know how you read the book. You just read it quickly and you never go to the depth. Next question, see students, question number 25. The blue color of crystals of a substance changed on heating in a closed test tube. The color was regained after some time on cooling. Name the substance and write the chemical formula. Explain the phenomena involved. Write name of the chemical formula of two such compounds whose one formula unit is associated with 10 and 2 water molecules respectively. These questions, students, came in CBSE 2015. See, so these are very important questions which I am discussing. See students, most of the students have googled and they have sent me the question. So students, this is the simplest way how you can write. It is already given in the book, so I have not written in my notebook and all, so I am showing you directly from the book itself. See, the given information suggests that the blue crystals are hydrated copper sulfate. Okay, so students, what exactly happened when you heat? Copper sulfate is generally blue in color. When you heat it, it evaporates and it loses the water molecules present in them and it becomes white. When you add again, you cool down the substance which you have heated, that means copper sulfate. When you cool it down, it gets, and when you pour water into it, it starts getting its blue color back. This is the only point. So you can write the reactions involved. See, blue, heat, and then you have got white color. White color, you add it again, 5 molecules of water, you got the blue color back. Next question was answer was B, hydrated sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. The formula of washing soda is this: hydrated calcium sulfate gypsum, and the formula is this. Very simple, very unified, no need to cram things. Learn and keep in your mind. Students, I got that is question number 30. Please focus. That is explain the following given chemical equation in each case. Student, my motive is to show you how you have to write, because I have seen students, they know the answer but they don't know how to represent their answer in their answer sheets. They start writing the formulas, they start writing about the formation of the formulas. It is not required. See students, it has come in 2017 exams. So what you need to do it here, what they have written, what they have asked, they have just asked explain and following given chemical equation. In each case you have to give it. So baking soda is heated. When a baking soda is heated, you get sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. And what happens? Washing soda, when it get heated, you get sodium. Washing soda, when you get heated, you get soda ash and you get water molecules. It is again the case of that only, which when you heat the water, so water molecules get separate out, and you see you can write in a separate form. When you heat, and the last equation, see students, when you heat gypsum, what you get at 373 Kelvin, you get calcium sulfate half H2O plus 3/2 H2O. You can write this one as 1.5 also. 1.5 can be written 3/2. So you can see the equal division of water molecule to both of the compounds. Okay, this is how you need to answer and frame your points. This really looks so fascinating. It takes less time to write also from your side and less time to the examiner also to check it out. They can easily check your answer and can give you complete total marks without any kind of hesitations. So students, in the next class, in the next revision class, I will give you more questions so that you can have an idea how to write. This is very important, students. In exam, you really know how to write points. Then only you will get your marks. Okay, so study well and give your best.